Panguva ino pari kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga vakonzeresa a turning point pa the 2030 plan ne-extension yakanga yaitiwa yema 2028 harmonized elections. Zvachibuda pachena kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva ino anyatsoratidza kuti he can challenge zvigananda, and panguva ino pane a document aiwa riri kusekurita pasocial media riri kuonekwa kunzi these are mapoints aVP Constantino Chiwenga ari kuonekwa kunzi have leaked, oita kuti zvigananda zvepanguva ino zvibloke VP Constantino Chiwenga. Ndobva subscribe like button on the bell icon. Tipinda apa this post inopostwa panapa paZimI, vanouya vachiposta vachiti hello fellow Zimbabweans, zvigananda factions are blocking VP Chiwenga because of this leaked document. Number 1, tax reform. Unnecessary taxes will be completely abolished. Number 2, import duty. Zimbabwean citizens buying cars abroad will pay only 20% of the car's price as duty fees. Number 3, Zvigananda properties. All Zvigananda properties will be sold and the proceeds will be used to purchase medicines for hospitals. Number 4, pre-arrest investigation. No one will be arrested without sufficient evidence. Number 5, Bukrahundi genocide investigation. A thorough investigation will be conducted and the culprits will face severe punishment. Number 6, anti-corruption. Government officials involved in corruption will be fired and arrested. Number 7, mineral revenue allocation. Mineral revenue will fund the primary education, medical treatment for seniors 60 plus and children under 15. Number 8, investment and international cooperation. Policies will be adjusted to attract investors and Zimbabwe will join the International Criminal Court. Number 9, freedom of speech and election. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino rikuonekwa this is a leaked document rikunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga. Zviro zvigananda zvezvibloka VP Constantino Chiwenga nozviri kuonekwa kunzi zvese zviri mudocument raVP Constantino Chiwenga zviri kuya zvichibata nekumisa aiwa these corrupt entrepreneurs and businessmen. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pe-this document riri panguva ino ichi publishwa neZimI. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe, like, hit on the bell icon.